This is a ratchet banding tool. Here you can see the cutting blade, the cutting lever, and the components required for blade replacement, including the new blade and Allen keys. This is the replacement cutting blade. Before installation, check the blade from all sides to ensure it is clean and undamaged. To begin the replacement process, loosen and remove the 2 screws holding the blade in place using the Allen keys. Next, remove the cutting lever along with the spring that supports the cutting mechanism. Carefully remove the cutting blade from the tool. If the blade has been properly lubricated, it should slide out easily. Here you can see the removed blade. Insert the new blade into the banding tool. Before installation, apply a small amount of lubricant to ensure smooth operation. Tighten the upper screw first to hold the blade in position. Place the spring back into the mechanism and reinstall the cutting lever. Install the second screw and tighten it securely. Then fully tighten the first screw to complete the assembly. The blade replacement is now complete. The cutting mechanism operates smoothly and the tool is ready for use. For more maintenance tutorials and industrial tool guides, subscribe to the Lube channel.